is Brody. He is visiting us from Canada with his family for the very first time. He's visiting Hawaii, and he wanted to give you a Scrapping with Cancer kit, and it includes a scrapbook, any kind of scrapbooking supplies that you might need, a camera, stickers, some little things from Canada, all in there for you to take pictures when you're around the hospital, and kind of document your journey if you'd like. And you can do,
cool.
yeah.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. So we'll leave it here on the side, and then when you're finished with your movie, you can check it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Got it, bro?
Oh.
There. So we'll leave it.
Thank you.
I like your little guy here.
My dad got it from me.
He's huge. He's not a little guy. He's huge.
Okay, bro, we gotta go.
He has big muscles.
You betcha. Just like you. Okay. So we'll say see you later.
See you later.
Thank you.
Aloha.
Thank you very much.
Aloha.
Aloha.
You chose Mr. McGee, huh?